Namaskaram. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I wonder what is she up to? So in today's video, we will discuss why haven't you created your own YouTube channel yet. Now we'll just talk in points, okay? So the first thing that you think is that you are waiting for the right moment. You're waiting for your right equipments. You are waiting for your right state of mind where you can invest your time in it. You are waiting for it to be the best quality. Now, as a beginner, as when you start your own YouTube channel, do not focus so much on the quality, because there are two things that we have to keep in mind. Like, if you are planning to fully invest in your own YouTube channel, then there are two things that we have to take care of, which is 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours watch time. Now in the beginning, this might look too much, like, oh, this is too much, I don't think I can do this. But you get there. Like, it is 1 year of commitment and you will get there as long as you are committed that okay, content is what I am going to focus on. So the first point, that you are waiting for the right moment, you are waiting to give your best quality. Now if we really think about this, getting 4000 hours watch time is a lot, right? So in the beginning, I would say that do not focus so much on the quality and focus on the content. Create. It's okay. I mean, I'm not saying upload like really bad quality stuff. Maintain quality, but don't trip on it as a beginner, as a starter. So first point is out of question. Like, if you are waiting, like, I'm not saying it's out of question, like absolutely out of question but if this is what is stopping you from doing it yet, is that, like, in the beginning, do not focus on it because it will take a while to get 4000 hours. So maintain your decent quality and go for it. Like, it is a commitment. I would say that, okay, we can talk about this in the next video. But second point, you think that you might get out of ideas. Now the interesting thing about ideas is that they keep coming. It's not that we have a bottle of ideas which pops up from inside. It keeps coming. So do not stress about the future because you do not really know what could come. You make 10 videos, one out of that 10 video works great. Now you can work around that one video and create more content. So do not stress on the future if you would still have enough content to upload. You will. Like, as long as you are committed, as long as you have decided that okay, this is what I'm gonna do and I'm gonna keep experimenting, then something will work, and on that something we will create lots of more things. Third point is that you think that the audience might not like your content. Now the interesting thing is that there are just so many people with so many different things they are into, right? So categories like just reading or studying is also appreciated on YouTube. So you cannot judge before, right? Just go for it. There are so many minds, there are so many different just different people who like different things. So don't limit yourself in thinking that okay, my content might not work, it might not be liked by people. Because even if you are like, okay, I want to create something but I have absolutely nothing to create, but I do want to create something, so I would say that even hold on to that and just learn. If you want to learn something, put your camera on, learn it on put your camera on, put your video on, learn it on the camera, put it on YouTube. Share your journey of learning, and even that might work. Now you didn't just learn something new, but you also gave someone else something to watch. And maybe for example, I'm sorry, am I too fast? So, for example, like this study genre helps other people to study, as in, like I can put on somebody studying live or just a video, and I can study with that person, so it feels like, okay, this is like group study going on. If you're playing guitar, you're learning guitar, everyday journey would help another learner to have someone in the same plate as them. So all you gotta give them is a plate, because like somebody else would also be on your plate. And lastly, I don't think there's another point. I don't know why you are not starting your channel, because if you want to, then you should. We will talk about more things regarding YouTube in the next video. But if you are planning to start a YouTube channel and you haven't yet, because you think that you are waiting for the right time, you might get out of ideas, or the audience might not like your content. Like if these are the things that are stopping you, then you've got nothing to stress about. Just go for it, be committed to it, and upload every day without expectation for a bit, for a while. I would say 6 months to 1 year. Just go for content creation, and then whatever it brings you, then we'll talk about the result. But right now, let's just focus on work and get there. Thanks for watching. Namaste.